Welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can reset MetaMask password or the MetaMask wallet as a whole. So first of all, open the MetaMask app. After you open the MetaMask app, you will find a screen like this from where you will have to log in to your account. Now if you have forgotten your password and you want to reset it, you will find the option of reset wallet just below the unlock option. However, this option will also reset the current wallet, not only the password. Now in order to reset it, simply tap on reset wallet, then it will take you to a screen from where you will have to enter a new password. Tap on I understand and continue. Now in order to delete or reset it, follow the instructions and type delete. Then after, tap on delete my wallet. As you do that, it will take you to a screen from where you can create a new wallet. After you create a new password, your old account or your old password will be reset and your new account will be created. Hence, in this way you can reset your MetaMask password or your whole wallet. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.